Go.
Okay, we've got our Gorilla duct tape. You only need one layer of this. You put your rod on here, roll it long ways, and voila, there's our two posts. Now we're going to back tape these posts. We're going to take our Zonus tape, only overlap a little bit. The idea is to keep this nice and smooth. This is going against the puppy's ear. This is going to be the top. This is our bottom. And I just set this down and do the other one. And I'm right-handed, so I may as well just keep up doing it that way. Pull it tight as you're coming down the rod. Keep it nice and smooth. And there's our two posts. Two pieces. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces total for the ear. This is the first piece that gets laid, which is the tip. This is for the base, the next base. This is for the next underneath the tip, and then the middle of the ear. So we've got all our tape laid out for both ears.